How to fix Snapchat location not updating. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Snapchat location not updating. So before we begin, just hit the subscribe button and don't miss out on our future videos. Let's begin. First of all, locate your Snapchat app and open it up. After you've opened it up, you will then need to check if ghost mode is on in your Snap Map settings. So after you're on your Snap Map, what you'll need to do is check if the ghost mode feature is turned on. Tap on the top right corner. There you'll find ghost mode. Make sure that you've disabled this. Tap on the disable button and you're good. If even after that it does not work, try to restart your app. So swipe up and remove it from the background. Doing that will fix the problem, and if it does not, you might want to check for your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on, you are connected to a good and stable connection, and if not, just make sure you connect to a good or better Wi-Fi. After that, make sure that location services for your app is turned on. So long press on your Snapchat, tap on the app info icon, head over to permissions, and there if you see location, tap on location and select allow only while using the app, and also turn on precise location. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. If not, try to update the app to the latest version, and if it's already done, try to reinstall the app by uninstalling it. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.